May ikan ni katupya. Pay bong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me me. Maya li cukup angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kajing helang jong ka kenhun menteri Sorkar. Kablalang menta kasengi ka kan retorik uyayong arjar apun rio. Klasim ya karai man Ithuh no ya Ktien Khasi Garo kum ki Ktien Sorkar. Dagmo menjur ya ka Meghalaya Official Language Ordinance arjar apun rio. Bat ka jingweng no ya ka Meghalaya State Language Act. Kani senjam lasim dak Sorkar MDA balayalam dak National People's Party. Kala jialong ru hadin bak sanjuk kinong thokot Khasi lani ka Khasi Author Society kalapa ni jingkersan ki pajba sekelenggi distrik pandawa yak Sorkar bukan Ithuh no yak Ktien Khasi kumuktin Sorkar hag je karan migilat pathai khubor hadin blawai ke jingelang menteri rang ba ka jala kodrat ke sangma ulethu bahapo ka Meghalaya Official Language Ordinance arja pun rio nalor ka Ktien English ka Ktien Khasi ba Ktien Garo kinlong ki Ktien ki bala ban panan kam haki office Sorkar Shushu ulethu bag Sorkar kan wanra ya ka jingpun bit thamai hak be day bat ka Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Act khat khandai spa prapo Khnang baki MLA kindu bla bani shimta hak jingatai bagi jingakran hak Ktien Khasi bat hak Ktien Garo haying darbar thawan joga jala bat nalor kata kan plelaru wat ban penlong yak jingtho examin thungkam tang hak Ktien English nrai wat hak Ktien Khasi bat hak Ktien Garo ru.
Today the cabinet has decided that the Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026 was passed and the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 was repealed. Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026, the main point is that from now on, apart from English, Khasi and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing Khasi and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications and also in the due course of time. And when I say due course, I mean very, very shortly. Necessary amendments will be made to relevant acts, namely the Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act 1980. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in Khasi and Garo and debate in Khasi and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. This decision will also pave the way for different important examinations also to be held apart from English in our own local languages, which is Garo and Khasi. This will of course not happen, everything will not happen immediately. The process will take some time. Certain decisions will be much more easier to implement immediately. Certain decisions will require logistical setups to be created, manpower to be employed, and different infrastructures to be created, rules to be created. But as I said, the decision today will allow all of these things to fall into place. This also is being done primarily because the resolution to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule was taken by the Assembly. And our government felt very strongly that while we are demanding for 8th schedule, it is important that in our state itself, we must also take necessary steps to make both Khasi and Garo official, so that a stronger message can be sent to Government of India and the Parliament, and further pave the way for us to be able to expect that both Khasi and Garo language will be also included in the 8th schedule. So this is also one important step towards achieving that particular goal.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.